Hey, welcome to this episode of Snowmobile Stuff by Royal Distributing, and today we've got a positively excellent topic to speak about because we're talking about batteries with Jeff, who's the purchasing manager here at Royal Distributing, and he's the man that knows everything there is to know about batteries. So, Jeff, talk to me about batteries. What do you guys have here at Royal Distributing?
So here at Royal, we have a couple different brands of batteries. Wolftech, really good brand that we carry, and also Yuasa.
Yeah.
Very well known. Wolftech, not so much. I know it's getting bigger and getting out there. Between the two, there is a maintenance-free offered and also conventional.
Yeah.
Some models take conventional, some take maintenance-free. Definitely maintenance-free is the way to go between the two, but that's between the offering and also Wolftech as an AGM as well.
Yeah, and we'll get to that in a little bit, but talk to me a little bit about, for customers that are coming into Royal looking for a new battery, you guys have Shop My Ride as an online tool to figure out what is the best battery for them, right?
Yep, Shop My Ride works great. You just got to go on our website and you enter your make and model, and that brings up pretty much everything, not only batteries, but everything that will fit that particular year, make, and model.
Yeah. Now, we know that you guys offer batteries across the spectrum for power sports, but specifically for snowmobiles, what are some of the challenges that snowmobilers face with their batteries? And I'm kind of thinking about cold wintertime temperatures.
Yeah, those cold temps definitely will affect your battery. Some batteries, like lithium, will only operate up to -10, whereas the conventional and the maintenance-free that we have through Yuasa and Wolftech, they're good beyond -50. So
yeah. So Jeff, for snowmobilers who are thinking about replacing the battery on their snowmobile but want something a little bit better, and I'm thinking for those cold mornings up north with 4-stroke snowmobiles that don't have a manual recoil on them, you're depending on your battery to get your sled started. So, is an AGM option going to give them more cranking amps?
100%, yeah. Typically in an AGM, you're looking at 10 to 20% more cold cranking amps, so it's definitely the better choice if you're riding in those colder temps up north.
Yeah.
AGM batteries, typically they last quite a bit longer than a conventional.
Yeah.
And also they come ready to go, sealed. All you got to do is put them on a charger, and they last a lot longer than a conventional as well.
Exactly, maintenance free. You don't need venting on them. Not that that's a problem with snowmobiles.
Don't have to top them up.
Yeah, they can also be mounted in any position, I believe. So,
yep.
Excellent battery is an option for somebody who's looking for more cranking amps out of their snowmobile.
For sure.
I wanted to spend a little bit of time about trying to get the most life out of a battery too, because power sport batteries typically, spend long periods of time not in use, for summer storage on a snowmobile or even on an ATV. Maybe you're not using it as often in the wintertime because you're not plowing your laneway, that type of thing. We have a battery tender here on the desk. Talk to me a little bit about that. Can a battery tender really improve the life of a battery in your power sport?
100%, yeah, for sure. Everybody that has a power sport, whether it's ATV, snowmobile, with the seasonal aspect of them, definitely need to put it on a battery tender in the off season. It will 100% increase the life of your battery for sure.
Yeah, and I think that option has the cord, the hardwire cord, so you just have a little pigtail, so it's super easy to use.
Right, don't even have to use the alligator clips. You can just use that quick connect, leave that right connected to your battery and plug and play.
Now, for batteries, a question that I have, if somebody's saying, contacting Royal Distributing from out of town, can a battery be shipped through post or one of the shipping companies that are out there?
Yeah, a lot of misconceptions that batteries can't be shipped, but they 100% can. They come with a sealed, like the conventionals will come with a sealed acid pack. The AGMs, like I said, are sealed before, so no problems in shipping them. You can order them online. Yeah.
And for cost for a replacement battery, because we know these things aren't going to last forever, especially some of the OEM ones, they tend to go bad after a couple of years. What's sort of a price point that somebody needs to be thinking about to buy a new battery? And I know it could be all over the place because different size batteries are going to cost different amounts of money.
Yeah, it is a little all over the place, depending on the model of your sled, ranging anywhere from $30 to $60 for conventional, and then upwards of 60 plus to 125 for AGM or a Yuasa. Yeah.
But if somebody decides to or needs to buy a new battery, if they spend some money on a quality battery like a Wolftech here, what's the type of lifespan with proper maintenance and items such as a battery tender? How long can they expect the lifespan of these things to last?
Proper maintenance on a good maintenance-free battery should be 5-6 years plus. Yeah,
that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's decent.
Well, if you got any other questions about a battery for your power sport vehicle, definitely give Jeff or anybody else here at Royal Distributing a call, or go online and use their online shop tool, which is
Shot my ride.
There you go. Shot my ride. Skill testing question there. Thanks very much, Jeff.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you.